Hey pickers, today we're going to look at the E minor pentatonic scale, sometimes just called the pentatonic scale. But usually when it's used in blues and rock, it's the minor pentatonic scale. This is the first scale I would teach anybody of any kind because it's easier to learn than any other scale that you'll learn on guitar. It has 2 notes on every string, an open note and a fretted note. And it's really fun and it's super useful. It's used by Kiss, AC/DC, Van Halen, Eric Clapton, and all the old blues guys. So let's get to it and learn this scale. So we're going to have the open 6th string, then 6th string 3rd fret, then the open 5th string, then 5th string 2nd fret, then the open 4th string, and then 4th string 2nd fret. Then the open 3rd string, 3rd string 2nd fret. Then the open 2nd string, 2nd string 3rd fret. Then the open 1st string, and then 3rd fret. So let's review that. Open 6th, 3rd fret 6th. Open 5th, 2nd fret 5th. Open 4th, 2nd fret 4th. Open 3rd, 2nd fret 3rd. Open 2nd, 3rd fret 2nd. Open 1st, 3rd fret 1st. So there's always an open string, and then the next note is either the 3rd fret or the 2nd fret every time. So on the 6th string is the 3rd fret, open 3rd. On the 5th string is the 2nd, open 2nd. 4th string is the 2nd, open 2nd. 3rd string is the 2nd, open 2nd. Now we go back to the 3rd for the 2nd string, open 3rd. And then for the 1st string again, open 3rd. So the 3s, the 3rd frets, happen on the 6th string, 2nd string, and 1st string. And the 2s happen on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd. Open 3, open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3. I don't expect you to be able to play it that quickly yet, but I just wanted to show you how the pattern goes so it's easier to memorize. Open 3, open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3. All right, so go back, get that down. Once you got that down, keep going with this video, and we're going to do descending. All right, so here's the E minor pentatonic scale, descending, going down, starting. Remember, start with the fretted note first. We're not going to go open 3, open 3, open 2. We're going to go 3, open, 3, open, 2, open, 2, open, 2, open, 3, open. So again, 1st string, 3 is your 1st note, then open. 2nd string, 3, and then open. 3rd string, 2, and then open. 4th string, 2, and then open. 5th string, 2, and then open. And 6th string, 3, open. All right, have you got that down? Once you got that down, again, review as much as you need to. The frets and string numbers will all be down there in the description if you need a visual reference for that. And once you have it down, we're going to learn a lick. The lick we're going to do from this scale, because it's always important when you learn a scale to apply it to a song. How do we use this? Why are we doing this, right? So once you've got it down, learn this lick. This is from Carina Carina, which is an old blues tune. You may know it from Eric Clapton's Unplugged album from the 90s, but it is an old blues song. He just covered it and made it his own and put his own stylings on it, but it's an old blues song. Do the lick. 1st string, it's going to go like this. Let me play it for you first. Pretty nice little lick, right? And it's right out of the scale. So we start with open 1st, and then 3rd, and then open again. So that's the first part. open, 3, open. All on the first string. All right, and then we're going down the scale. 2nd string, 3rd fret. 2nd string open. 3rd string, 2nd fret. 3rd string open. 4th string, 2nd fret. All right, so again, it's 1st string, open, 3, open. 2nd string, 3, open. 3rd string, 2, open. 4th string, 2. And that is the E minor pentatonic scale. I hope you found this super useful and that you have a lot of fun with the E minor pentatonic scale. In a future video, I will be showing you how to play that pentatonic scale in any key, how to move it around, and you can play it in any key. Someone can yell out, okay, we're going to play a blues in B flat, and you'll be like, I know how to do that. So we will cover that in the next pentatonic video. Thanks for staying tuned. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll be posting that video soon on how to do the movable pentatonic scale. In the meantime, happy picking.